All I wanted was to hear what the union had to say and what they could do to make things better for us at St. Mary's.
In 2002, St. Mary's cook Betty Melendez was fired for union activities. But she appealed her termination to the National Labor Relations Board, the NLRB.
We had 3 hearings. We won all 3 of them. Then we were offered our jobs back. They were to pay us for the full year we were off.
Me and Betty were friends. We'd have cigarette breaks. And when I would come in from a cigarette break, they'd always want to know what me and Betty were discussing.
Teresa Young was hired as Betty's supervisor when she returned to work.
They wanted me to write things down, document things, personal things that Betty would have said.
All I want to do is hear what the union people are going to say. And then God gave me a brain, and I will decide if I think this is something that's good for Betty or something that is not good for Betty.
You know, we and Betty would talk about everything. And I was never, like I said, never planning to discuss anything with my superiors about that. I know it's just not my style. So I wouldn't give any information, and I wouldn't say anything.
And with was it 4 days later, I was terminated.
I was told I was doing a very good job, so then I was led to believe. So I thought I was doing a good job, and I was really surprised when they fired when they fired me.
I felt like the Catholic Church had just slapped me across my face.
It really upset me. It's supposed to be a Catholic hospital, so I was very surprised I was treated that way.
This, unfortunately, is the disconnect that I talked about between the code of conduct, and the reality.